In this video, we shall learn regarding the word derivation and definition of the terms Aushadha, Veshaja and Kalpana. First one, Aushadha. The word derivation of Aushadha. Aushadha is derived from the root Usha, which means to burn or to heat. The suffix dha is added to it, forming a noun that indicates an agent or substance related to the root's action. So, in general, Aushadha refers to medicinal substances, particularly herbs used in healing and treatment. Definition of Aushadha. Oso nama rasaha so asyam dhiyate yat tat oshadhihi. Osat arogyam adhate tasmat oshadhir aushadaha. Reference Kashyapa Samhita, Kilastana, Chapter 3, Shloka 27. Osa means rasa. So asyam dhiyate yat tat oshadhihi means the osa or rasa which is placed in this dravya, that is oshadhihi, plant or herb. Osat, from the essence. Arogyam adhate, health is brought. Tasmat, therefore, aushadhihi, plant or herb. Aushadaha refers to medicine. The term osa refers to rasa or essence which is contained in a plant or herb, thus it is called oshadhi. From this essence, health is obtained, therefore, the oshadhi herb is also called aushadha or medicine. Next, Bheshaja. The word derivation of Bheshaja. Bheshaja is derived from the root Bhisha, which means to heal or to cure. Suffix aja is added to the root Bhisha to form the noun Bheshaja. Bheshaja. This term primarily denotes medicine, remedy or drug. Definition of Bheshaja. Roga bhayam jayati iti bheshajam. Bhesham rogam jayati iti aushadham iti amaraha. Tadeva yukta bhaishajyam yat arogyaya kalpate. Roga bhayam jayati iti bheshajam means that which conquers the fear of disease. Bhesham rogam jayati iti aushadham iti amaraha. Aushadham means that which conquers the disease. Tadeva yukta bhaishajyam yat arogyaya kalpate. Proper medicine is defined as that which is suitable and effective in promoting health. Next, the word derivation of kalpana. Kalpana is derived from the root krip, which means to form, to create or to imagine. Suffix ana is added to the root to form the noun indicating the action or process of forming or imagining. Therefore, kalpana essentially means the act or process of forming, creating and imagining something. Definition of kalpana. Kalpyate vidhiyate asau vidhihi. Kalpana is the vidhi, process or method employed for preparation of any aushadha or pharmaceutical product. The process or the vidhi may be heating, boiling, frying or grinding. Second definition of kalpana. Kalpanam yochanam iti arthaha. Kalpana as the act of planning or arranging. Kalpana is the yojana, the plan or strategy developed for preparation of medicines. Next definition of kalpana. Prakalpanam samskaranam iti. Prakalpana meaning designing or planning. Samskaranam means revision or refinement or bring about new qualities. In this context, kalpana or prakalpana is samskarana. Samskara may be Agni samskara, procedure done to prepare medicine using Agni or fire, Jala samskarana using water, Atapa samskarana using sunlight and so on. Next, definition of Vaishajya Kalpana. Bhaishajyanam kalpana iti Bhaishajya kalpana. The science that deals in detail with preparation of various medicines is called Bhaishajya kalpana. For any queries, doubts, suggestions, please comment below. Do like and subscribe our channel for more such videos.